Welcome to our ultimate showdown between two leading smartphone gimbals, the Hohem iSteady M6 kit and the AOCHUAN Smart X. In today's video, we will dive deep into their features, performance, and overall value for content creators. Whether you're a professional videographer or a casual vlogger, choosing the right gimbal can make all the difference in your filming experience. Let's get started. When it comes to pricing, the Hohem iSteady M6 kit is positioned as a premium option at $209, while the AOCHUAN Smart X offers a budget-friendly alternative at just $69. This significant price difference reflects the features and capabilities each gimbal brings to the table. Let's see how these price points affect their overall value. The Hohem iSteady M6 kit features a dedicated magnetic AI tracking sensor that allows for seamless subject tracking without the need for an app. In contrast, the AOCHUAN Smart X relies on app-dependent tracking, which can sometimes lead to connectivity issues. This difference can significantly impact your filming experience, especially in dynamic shooting scenarios. Battery life is crucial for long shooting sessions. The Hohem iSteady M6 kit boasts an impressive 18-hour runtime, ensuring you can film for extended periods without interruption. On the other hand, the AOCHUAN Smart X has a shorter battery life, which may limit its usability for longer projects. This is an essential factor to consider when choosing between these two gimbals. In conclusion, the choice between the Hohem iSteady M6 kit and the AOCHUAN Smart X ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. If you're looking for professional features and exceptional battery life, the Hohem M6 is the way to go. However, if you're a casual creator seeking a lightweight and affordable option, the AOCHUAN Smart X is a fantastic choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like